music tagline. We are grateful to have the most sexiest voice, ISHMAEL WALAD on the show. The competition album launch. You are there, so seriously, how are you happy to it?
To be very honest, with you, this is a blessing. You know, to be on the stage like this, get problem balama. Ja, hanka lang comes a minute. You talk about your pool, so come your family around me on Salaka now. Now, also not happy for to be part of such show. Just to now, but like we are praying that now to come to Yalanga. And then Chancellor, I think say you is a blessing. So Mama not attending Mama no show more show and I was very excited.
Okay, it's what up what we are doing. Don't mind ana nung tira bembiala. Ana vote half floor. What is who has what kind of vote half floor? They will vote the
Wallahi, you shouldn't do something. One camera one I think I have a very good song. Still can shalom. But an artist not good song for yeah, the artist not can. So I'm just praying that they should give us a chance. You know, the past you know, and your restaurant, I know that response to it. And that's a blessing. So I'm just praying that the bottom will within a week or two. Some bad songs and we put them on. The charge of I think that's the necessary right now. Yes, yes.
Okay. That's the sexiest voice. ISHMAEL WALAD for you. We are very grateful to have you on the show. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hopefully music tagline. We still move.